Welcome back to a new video, guys. Today you'll be learning how to introduce yourself in English. This is not just listening, this is also speaking practice. I will ask you a question and you answer out loud. If you need more time, pause the video. Then Leon answers like he is you and you compare.
Hi, everyone.
By the end of this video, you will be able to introduce yourself 3 ways. A short introduction for quick situations, a normal introduction for new friends, and a more professional introduction for school or work. And most importantly, you'll know what to say next time to keep the conversation going.
No awkward ending.
Exactly. Let's get started. Here is a simple formula. Greeting, name, from, what you do, 1 extra detail, and nice to meet you. I'll say it again slow and clear. Greeting, name, from, what you do, 1 extra detail, nice to meet you. If you can do this, you can introduce yourself almost anywhere. Step 1, greeting. You can say hi, hey, or hello. Now it's your turn. Say 1 greeting. If you need more time, pause the video and then answer.
Hi.
Perfect. If you want to get my 3,000 most common English words PDF to help you understand up to 95% of spoken English with real clear definitions and examples organized by Sefer level and topic, then check out the link in my description to get it. Step 2, name. You can say, my name is Volka, or I'm Volka. Be sure to use your own name and not my name. Your turn. Say your name and pause if you want.
I'm Leon.
Perfect. Step 3, where you're from. You can say, I'm from Canada. Your turn. Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
Good job. Be sure to say which country you are from. Step 4, what you do. You can say, I'm a student, or I'm a teacher, or I work in a restaurant. Your turn. What do you do?
I'm a student.
Good job. Step 5, 1 extra detail. 1 short sentence. Here are some easy options. I'm learning English. I love movies. I like coffee. I'm here on vacation. Your turn. Choose 1 extra detail.
I'm learning English.
Perfect. The final step, step 6. Nice to meet you. Your turn. Say it and pause if you want.
Nice to meet you.
So that is a full introduction. Now listen to a full introduction. Hi, I'm Volka. I'm from Canada. I'm a teacher. I like snowboarding. Nice to meet you. Now you do your version. Speak out loud and pause if you want.
Hi, I'm Leon. I'm from Canada. I'm a student and I'm learning English. Nice to meet you.
Perfect. That sounded clean and natural. Now I'll give you 3 versions. Easy, normal, and professional. Easy version. Hi, I'm Volka. I'm from Canada. I'm a teacher. Nice to meet you. Your turn. Easy version.
Hi, I'm Leon. I'm from Canada. I'm a student and it's nice to meet you.
Perfect. Now time for the normal version. Hi, I'm Volka. I'm from Canada. I teach English online through YouTube videos. I love to travel the world. Nice to meet you. Your turn. Normal version.
Hey, I'm Leon. I live in Canada. I'm a student. I like to play sports like hockey. Nice to meet you.
Perfect. Nice to meet you too. Now for the professional version. Hello, My name is Volka. I'm from Canada. I make YouTube videos online teaching clear, natural English. Some of my hobbies include snowboarding, hiking, and traveling. Nice to meet you. Your turn. Professional version.
Hello, my name is Leon. I'm from Canada. I'm a university student. It's nice to meet you.
Perfect. Now we practice what happens after you say hello. I ask, you answer. Pause if you need to, and then Leon answers. What's your name?
My name is Leon.
You can also say, I'm Leon. Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
If you live somewhere else now, you can say, I'm from Canada, but I live in Thailand. But I live in Australia. But I live in South Korea. What do you do?
I'm a student.
If you work, you can say, I work in, for example, I work in construction. I work in a hospital. I work in a restaurant. How long have you been learning English?
I've been learning English for 2 years.
Short answers are okay too. You can say 2 years, 6 months, 1 year. What do you like to do?
I like to watch movies and play sports.
Perfect. 1 or 2 things only. Now some quick speaking and pronunciation tips to sound more natural. I'm is I am. Say it fast and smooth. I'm from Canada. I'm Volka. Don't say I am Volka every time. I'm Volka sounds natural. My name is. To sound more natural, you can kind of blend it together and say my name is. My name is. Instead of my name is. To sound more natural and smooth, you can say my name is. My name is. Instead of pronouncing each word completely separate. My name is Volka. My name is Volka. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Nice to meet you. Now repeat with me. I'm Volka.
I'm Leon.
My name is Volka.
My name is Leon.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Perfect. That was good and clear. Now we'll go over 3 common mistakes English learners make and the correct version. Mistake 1, my name Volka. The correct version is my name is Volka. My name is Volka. Your turn. Say the corrected version. Pause if you want.
My name is Leon.
Perfect. Mistake 2, I am come from Canada. The correct version, I'm from Canada. Also correct but less common, I come from Canada. Your turn. Choose one correct option.
I'm from Canada.
Perfect. Mistake 3, I have 25 years old. The correct version is I'm 25 years old. Your turn.
I'm 25 years old.
Perfect. Now we'll do 2 fast role plays. The first one, meeting a new friend at a cafe. Hi, nice to meet you. What's your name?
Hi, I'm Leon. Nice to meet you too.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada.
What do you do?
I'm a student.
What do you like to do?
I like sports and music.
Awesome. Nice talking to you, Leon. If you're serious about becoming fluent in English, I've built a full speaking, shadowing, and pronunciation course you can follow step by step. You get instant access to over 60 video lessons right away, and I add 3 to 5 brand new lessons every week to keep the content fresh. And you're not just getting videos. You also get an exclusive ChatGPT prompt to help you master the pronunciation of any word, plus a step-by-step structure to follow so you know exactly how to practice and get the most out of every lesson. Inside, we train pronunciation, accent, rhythm, and natural speaking. So you stop hesitating and start speaking with real confidence. Now here's a sneak peek at what you get the moment you join. So I wouldn't take legal action down to he already so cranky.
Jeans and one hoodie, which I
Click the link in my description to join. Second, a more professional situation like work or school. Hello, nice to meet you. What's your name?
Hello, my name is Leon. Nice to meet you.
Where are you from?
I'm from Canada, but I live here now.
What do you do?
I'm a university student. I study business.
Great. What brings you here today?
I'm here to practice English and meet new people.
Perfect answer. Now let's move on to the expansion trick. Here's how to sound more fluent without harder vocabulary. You keep the same structure, but add small details. There are 3 versions, the 10-second, the 20-second, and the 30-second version. Let's get started. 10 seconds. Hi, I'm Volka. I'm from Canada. I'm a teacher. Nice to meet you. 20 seconds. Hi, I'm Volka. I'm from Canada. I'm a teacher. I teach English online. Nice to meet you. 30 seconds. Hi, I'm Volka. I'm from Canada. I teach English online and I love to travel. I'm learning Spanish right now. Nice to meet you. Now you try. Do the 10-second version first.
Hi, I'm Leon. I'm from Canada. I'm a student. It's nice to meet you.
Perfect. Now the 20-second version.
Hi, I'm Leon. I'm from Canada. I'm a student. I study business, and it's nice to meet you.
Now the 30-second version. Add 2 details.
Hi, I'm Leon. I'm from Canada. I'm a student. I study business and I like sports. I'm learning English every day. It's nice to meet you.
Perfect. It's nice to meet you too. So it's the same structure, but you just add 1 more detail every time. Now it's time for a mini listening quiz. Are you ready? So I'm gonna say an introduction and you tell me what the person's job is. Hello, my name is Giselle. I'm from Brazil. I work in a hospital. I love cooking. Nice to meet you. So, what's her job?
She works in a hospital.
Perfect. 1 more. Hi, I'm Ken. I'm from Japan. I'm a student. I like basketball. Nice to meet you. What's his job?
He's a student.
Correct. So he doesn't have a job. He is a student. A quick recap. Greeting, name, where you're from, what you do, 1 extra detail, nice to meet you. Here is a practice plan for the next 7 days. Day 1, I want you to master the 10-second version. That is the simplest version of an introduction. Day 2, I want you to add 1 detail and practice the 20-second version. Day 3, I want you to practice the 30-second version and add 2 details. After that, I want you to add 1 detail every day and really try to focus on your pronunciation. Be sure to record yourself with your camera so you can track your progress.
Same structure every day.
Exactly. If you guys want more practice, write your introduction in the comments and I will tell you if you did good or if you need some improvement. Name, country, job, or student, and 1 thing you like. See you guys in the next natural and clear English podcast.